Lewiston, Maine made history yesterday electing 23-year-old Safia Khalid to a seat on the city council. She's the youngest person and the first Somali American to win a seat there. And she did it in spite of hate from racist online trolls from as far away as Alabama and Mississippi. And guess what? Safia Khalid joins me now. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for having me tonight.
Absolutely. So with nearly 70% of the vote, it was not even close. What was your initial reaction to winning by such a wide margin?
I'm still in shock. I've been in shock for the last 24 hours, but but I'm so honored that the people of Lewiston put their faith in me.
Yeah. Well, it's really unbelievable that you were running locally, right? Yet you were repeatedly trolled online all over the country for being black, being a Muslim, a woman, and a refugee, much like the treatment of Congresswoman Omar of Minnesota and Representative Tlaib in Michigan, and that they received. Can you tell me some of the things that people said to you and how it affected you?
Yeah, they were the most hateful, terrible comments that I've, ever seen before. And honestly, I couldn't take it. So, and it was like the last minute of the election. It was a week before the election that everything, started, like the entire race turned into a negative campaign. So what I, decided was I can't really focus on all the negative things that's going on social media. So I had to temporarily delete my Facebook, my social media accounts and focus on my doors.
Listen, I thought that your family had come as refugees and that you were born here, but that's not the case. You came to this country at the age of 7, having fled Somalia with your mother and 2 younger brothers. So tell us your story and what the ideal of America means to you and your family.
Yeah, so my family and I, when I was the age of 7, came into the country. We came to New Jersey first, but later on we came to Lewiston. And here in Lewiston, we lived here for more than a decade, and we found, the love, the comfort, and the safety that we were looking for, especially the safety where we, fled a war-torn country, full of violence, and we made home here. So it's just been, just completely incredible. Lewiston has welcomed my family and I am who I am because of Lewiston, and because, I learned to write my name here in Lewiston at the age of, 7. And at the age of 7, I was put in 4th grade, and I always felt like, just always catching up with other people and other students. So, I've, from the first person graduating high school to college to, buying a car, and I'm, the first of everything in my family, and now the first to be a Somali representative on the city council. It's just wonderful.
And your mom, you said that she's been watching all the news stories. She's really proud of you, right? Hi, Mom, by the way. You can say hi to her if you want.
She's just incredibly brave. And, my mom is, my dad and my mom, and has been through so much trauma, from Somalia to even in America, and always caring for us. So this is for her, and this is for just everyone in Lewiston.
What message do you think you sent those internet trolls last night?
Anything is possible, right? Like, we all have a place here in America, and that's exactly what I, showed last night to all the haters out there. There's just the most violent. The people continue to harass me, continue to bully me, even put my address on social media in the, for bad intention, to put incite fear in me. And they did not win. I didn't let them win. I persisted.
Yeah, you did persist, and you got, listen, an overwhelming 70% of the vote. It was not even close. Listen, you're the embodiment of America and what can be achieved here, and we're really, really proud of you. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you so much for having me tonight.
Good luck.